Take your seats, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, in a few minutes the fasten seatbelt sign will be switched off. However, we do advise you to keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. Please be careful when opening your luggage bins as hand luggage may fall out. We would like you to know about the benefits you can enjoy as a frequent flyer in our Flying Blue program. More details can be found in the Holland Herald in your seat pocket, or please visit our website on klm.com. Dames en heren, over enkele minuten zal de belichting van het teken Sodiumbas worden uitgedaan. Wij raden u echter aan uw sodium vast te laten wanneer u in uw stoel zit. Wij maken u op attent dat bij het openen van de bagagebak en handbagage weer kan uitvallen. Tevens wijzen wij u graag op de voordelen van ons frequent flyer programma Flying Blue. Meer informatie kan u vinden in de Holland Herald in uw stoelzak en uiteraard ook via onze website klm.com.